Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for the support. Absolutely love you. Anyways, this is actually a 3-day marathon. So today and then tomorrow I'll be dropping the next one. I don't know what I'm going to make. Absolutely not. So you just got to stay tuned. And I know you guys love me making videos for you to make. Actually, I know y'all have some old clothes and you want to, re or transform them into something new, or you just like you see something and you don't like how it look. Whatever. I don't know how it works. I just know how it works with for me. Anyways, guys, today I'll be showing you how to transform your leggings or tights, whichever. I am Jamaican, so I say tights. So anyways, I'll be teaching you how to transform it into a dress. It is so fucking simple. I'm sorry. It is so simple. Simple. Anyways, with oh yeah, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. Comment. Please comment. As a matter of fact, me I go feature somebody the comment of the day or the comment of the week. Matter of fact, it go pop up right now. Pop up right now. So shout out to that person. I don't know as yet because but just I do it, so anybody comment me feel to put right there, so that go. Anyways, yeah, comment, like, I say it already. Follow me on my medias, Instagram, Twitter. Talk about proprietary, some can't talk about that right now. Anyways, follow me on my medias, and without further ado, guys, let's begin. Okay guys, this is what I am working with. As you can see, this guy's showing a lot. Anyways, first of all, I started to cut out the inner thigh, of the tights or the leggings. Okay guys, after you're finished, you just line up the seam or the edges together. So you're going to line it up, and then afterwards you're going to cut off like the rough edges, or cut it so it can be like even, or what I call it, straight. So like the crotch area, you're going to cut off that piece so that it don't have a bulk look when you're stitching. Actually, I wish that I stitched it snatched it in so a little more for my dress, because it was kind of spacey than I thought. So that's kind of my little downfall. But anyways, after that guys, you just stitch it and it is basically almost complete. It's literally complete. I forgot to film the part where I cut off the foot of the leggings or the tights, because there, if you don't cut it off, you don't have no room to go into your dress. So make sure you cut it off. You can stitch the edge part of it if you want, but I left it because I think it look more stylish that way. So make sure you cut off
piece of the bottom so you have room, because it's too small if you leave it like that. Okay guys, this is the fast and easy dress that I made, like the easiest thing that I ever made. So thank you guys for watching this.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, follow me on my socials. Also, make sure you click that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I drop a video. And as you can see, I have a bad ear day, a bad eyebrow day, a bad face day, a beard, everything day. Until next time, guys. Bye.